Next question, if L equal to 4pq square, B equal to minus 3p square q, H equal to 2p cube and q cube, then find the value of L into B into H. Solution, right? The value of L into B into H, whatever they are given in N value, L value, B value, H value, write in the bracket and put in between symbol is into. So, first step, you remove the bracket and write in all the number into symbol. 4 into p into q squared into minus 3 into p squared into q into 2 into p cube into q cube. Okay, first you see the number. What is the number here? 4 minus 3, 2. Only one minus symbol, remaining all the one is plus. Plus into minus, minus. So write it here. First symbol is minus. Multiply the number. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. First you multiply the number 24. First step. Second step, what is the variable is there? Have p and q. How many p is there? Have here 1, here 2, there 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. P power is 6. Q also 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. That's all over the sum. Next question, expand. 5x, this bracket meaning is into 2y minus 3. Okay, now solution. 5x, the bracket near any symbol also they are not, you put in into. Start the bracket. 2y minus 3. 2y minus 3 is equal to, here 2 term is there, here having 1 term. This is the monomial, this is the binomial. Multiple the number. How to the multiple? See there. First 5x into 2y. 1 you multiple. 2 term means must here want to come in 2 terms. 5 into 2, 5x into 2y. 5x into 2y. First step. Next step, symbol is there have. Here have the symbol. There not have the symbol for put in the plus symbol. So see there plus into minus. Multiple the symbol. Plus into minus is a minus. Next, which one you want to multiple there? Five x into 3. 5x into 3. See there, 5x into 3. 5x into 3. Clear? Now is equal to, multiple the number. 5 2s are 10. Here only one x term, write in x. Here having one y term. Over the work. Next term work. Here have the number is 5. 5 3s are 15. Here only one variable is there, how you write it? 15x. That's all over the sum. Understand the sum? Next, minus 2p bracket 5p squared minus 3p plus 7. Solution equal to minus 2p in the bracket and this first term for the not symbol for you put in the into symbol. 5p squared minus 3p plus 7. How to their multiple? See there. First, here how many terms there have? Only one term. This is the monomial. 1, 2, 3 term is there. This is a trinomial. Monomial multiple by trinomial. Multiple. Now first see there, underline that one. 2p and 5p squared want to multiple. Right here. This underline over after you must write that next step. Minus 2p into 5p squared. First step. Second step. See there, minus into minus. Next term is started there. You write it here, minus. Minus into minus, plus. What is the term? There are 2p. This 2p and 3p multiple there. 2p into 3p. Multiple the first minus is over. Minus into minus plus over. Should not write in again there minus symbol. Okay, next. See there minus into plus. Minus into plus minus. 2p into 7. 2p into 7. Okay, next step you multiply the number easily there have. Here also not have the symbol for you put in the plus symbol. So plus into minus also right, minus only is equal to here plus symbol. Plus into minus, plus minus into plus minus. See there 5 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Here power is 1. So p cube. You write it at the p cube. Next term started there. 2 3s are 6. P into p. Power is 1. Power is 1. P squared. Next. Minus symbol. Multiple the number. 2 7s are 14. 14p over the work. Next sum. 3mn into 3mn into m cube n cube minus 5m squared n plus 7m n squared. Solution. 3mn, what symbol right there? Into, start the bracket, m cube n cube minus 5m squared n plus 7mn squared. 7mn squared. How many terms there have? 1, 2, 3 terms. Here one monomial. Here not have the number for write it number. Not have the symbol for put in the plus symbol. There not have the power number, write it 1. Here also write it 1. Here not have the symbol for put in the plus symbol. Here power is 1. Here power is 1. Okay, now plus 3m multiple the 1 term there. First 3m power 1 n power 1 into plus 1m cube n cube. First work. Second work, plus into minus. See there, plus into minus. Minus. What is the here to have the number? 3m power 1. 3m power 1 n power 1 into 5m squared n power 1. Next step, plus into plus plus. There have the number is 3m power 1 n power 1 into 7m power 1 n squared. Multiple the number. This is the first term, second term, third term. So underline this one. Plus into plus plus. 1 3 is 3. m power 1 m power 3 m power 3 plus 1 add the number 4. Next variable is n. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next symbol is minus. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. m power 1 m power 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next write the symbol is what symbol is here? Plus. 7 3s are 21. m power 1 m power 1 m power 1 plus 1 is 2. n power 1 n power 2 n 1 plus 2 is 3. Over the sum. Next question, x squared into x plus y plus z plus y squared into x plus y plus z plus z squared into x minus y minus z. So, trinomial. Directly I multiple C there, only arrow mark. X squared into x equal to x power 3. Y here power is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Next symbol is what symbol? Plus. x squared into y, x squared y plus these two also multiple. Next before symbol is plus x squared z over the work. Next term plus y squared into x. You write in first small number x y squared plus symbol plus into plus plus y squared here y. So what is the answer? Y power 3. Here power is 1, y power 3 plus into plus plus y squared z y squared you write. Next symbol plus here have the symbol is plus only, so plus into plus plus x z squared plus into minus minus y. Here have z squared. Change and write for also correct. Plus into minus z squared into z equal to z power 3. Here power is 1. Now x cube y cube orderly write minus z cube. X cube y cube plus y cube minus z cube. Next you write in x squared term you write plus x squared y. Here also x squared z plus x y squared plus x z squared plus z y squared minus y z squared. So this one also correctly write x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Sorry, minus z cube. Okay, first x term, x square term right there. X square term, next y square term, next z square term. These two also x square term. What is the number? X squared y plus x squared z plus y square term, these two term. X y squared plus z y squared. Next you write in z square term. X z squared minus y z squared. So arrange the number very correctly. This one multiple after x cube term, y cube term, z cube term. Okay, yeah. Next you write in x square term. Which two also x square term? X square means x square y. Here also x square term is x square z is there. So near you write x square y, x square z. Next y squared. Here also y squared. So write in x square z y squared. X squared y, x y squared, z y squared. Next last remaining two term is what is the term? Here x z squared minus y z squared. Next fifth Roman letter, find the product of given the two also binomial 2x plus 3 first term second term second term binomial to binomial want to multiply there 2x plus 3 write in one bracket 2x minus 4. How to the here multiple? First term is what is the number? 2x you multiple these two term also. First step 2x to multiple in 2x minus 4. 2x start the bracket 2x minus 4. Right after here symbol is what symbol? Plus. You write it here plus 3 multiple 2x minus 4. This is the first step. Next one number you multiple there 2x into 2x. Here symbol is plus into minus 2x into 4. Here symbol is plus into plus 3 into 2x plus into minus 3 into 4. 2 2s are 4 x into x squared minus 2 4s are 8 x you write plus 3 2s are 6 x 3 4s are 12. Now 4x squared. Here x term, here also x term, 2 also like terms. 2 also what is the term there? Like terms. So what is the x is there? How? Minus 8x plus 6x. So see, should not consider now variable. What is the number? Minus 8 plus 6. What they want to do? Do in the minus subtraction. Big number is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2x. 8 near symbol is biggest number sign is minus 2s. So here write in minus 2. This 2 also like term x, you write it x. Minus 12 separately write, you write in minus 12. Next y squared minus 4. 2y squared minus 3y. So write it that one. Y squared to you multiple in two terms. Y squared into 2y squared plus 3y minus 4 into this 2 term also you write. 3 minus 4 into 2y squared plus 3y. Now multiply this two number y squared into 2y squared. Here symbol is plus 1. 1 plus into plus plus 1 3 is 3. You write in y squared into 3y minus plus into minus minus 4 into 2y squared plus into minus minus 4 into 3y. Here number is, what is the number? Y squared. Here have the number is 1 plus 1. 1 2 is 2. 1 y squared into y squared. So y power 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Y 3 only 1 3 is there. Have here have the number is 1. 1 3 is 3. Y squared power 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 y squared. 4 3s are 12. Y for y you write it. That's all over the sum. In next question. M squared minus n, 5m squared n squared minus n squared. Binomial multiple by binomial. Binomial means here 2 term, here 2 term. M squared minus n into 5m squared n squared minus n squared. This m squared to same method only. This 2 number, this bracket 2 number multiple. M squared into 5m squared n squared minus n squared. Minus n into next minus n into this 2 number you multiple there. M squared into first term, m squared into 5m squared n squared minus m squared into n squared minus n into 5m squared n squared minus into minus plus n into n squared. First step, this number multiple the two numbers. This variable multiple by the two numbers. 5 m squared join means m power 4. N squared. One number only there have, write it in 5 m power 4 n squared. Here 2 also different, should not add and write. This is m, this is n. This is one variable, n is another one variable. Now 5 m squared, n into n squared equal to, here power is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Here power is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 m power 4 n squared minus m squared n squared minus 5 m squared n cube plus n cube. Next sum, 3 into x minus 5 into 2 into x minus 1. So 3 into, you read no, so 3 into x, 3x minus 3 5s are 15 into 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 1, 2. So this one write in one bracket, this one write in another one bracket. Now this 3x multiple by the two terms. 3x into 2x minus 1 minus 15 into this 2 number multiple. 15 into 2x minus 2. Now multiple the number. 3 2s are 6. X into x, x squared. Now here symbol is plus, plus into minus, minus. 3 2s are 6, only 1x. 15 2s are minus, 15 2s are 30, here 1x term. Minus into minus plus, 15 2s are 30. Directly I am right. 6x squared. These two also like terms. Minus 6x minus 30x. Now these two number also same like term, x term. So minus 6 minus 30 equal to, what is answer? Minus 36. 2 also minus symbol. Put in the same symbol and add the number x variable for, write it the x. So 6x squared minus 36x plus 30. Find the missing term. 6xy into dash is equal to minus 12x cube. 6 to which number multiply here, you get it, the answer is 12. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. You write it 2 first. Next, here have in x to which number multiple get it the x cube, x square. Here power is 1. So here want to come the answer is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now y term for y only there have 1y, so no need to write. Here answer is minus symbol for you should they are given in the value for you no need to touch. Whatever you writing that number nearby you write in minus symbol. 6 2s are 12. Correct or not check. Here have the symbol is plus. Plus into minus minus. 6 2s are 12. X power 1 x squared x power 3 y term 1 term. So correct our answer are check there. Next one. Dash into minus 15 n squared n cube p equal to 45 m cube n cube p squared. So 15 to which number multiple you get the answer is 45. 3 5 15s are 45. Okay, now m squared here have that m cube. So need in one more m. So into m power 1 also right. Here n cube answer n cube. So same only there have no need right. Here have the number is p power 1. Here have the answer is p power 2. So need in one more p1. Here also p1. So answer is what is the value of plus 45 or minus 45 plus 45. So here one minus symbol is there. Minus to minus plus. So now your answer is correct or not check. Minus into minus plus. 3 15s are 45. M power 1 into m squared equal to m cube. N cube p into p equal to p squared. Next question. Multiple there. 2 into 5x squared y minus 2xy plus 3 dash get it the answer is this answer. So compare these two number. 5 to 10. 5 to 10 x squared y squared is correct the first answer. Y in x squared first term you write in x squared y into y is equal to y squared. Next minus symbol for there also have in the minus symbol. Answer is 2. 2 to which number multiply and get the answer is 2 1. Here x is there have there not have the x. Here not have the x for you write it x. There have the y also you write 1 y 1 xy or xy also correct. Next one plus symbol here also plus symbol. 3 2s are 6 is already there have. Y to which one you multiply and get the answer is y cube y squared. So 3 terms for 3 terms answer must need correct or not check. Now check that one. 2 5s are 10 x squared y into y squared answer. This is the answer. Okay, next minus symbol 1 2 is 2 x into y xy plus symbol 3 2s are 6 y into y squared equal to y cube is the answer. Match the following easily I say and give the sum. Number only you multiply enough. 4 3s are 12. Here minus symbol for minus 12 is the answer. This is the A answer. Next 2 5s are 10. Minus 10 here x cube y squared. Minus 10 where is the starting? Here have the number B is the answer. Here multiple 5x cube. Where is the starting 5x cube? These two also multiple 5x cube. This is the C answer. 2x into 2x equal to 2 2s are 4x square. So here I have the in the D answer. Remaining one is what is the answer? E answer. Easily find it the answer. First two, these two only multiple in a 4 3s are 12 minus 12. Y into y squared equal to y cube. 5 2s are 10 x squared x into x cube x squared into x equal to x cube y. So this answer is where is there? How you find it right means easy the sum. Last question. A car moves at a uniform speed x plus 30 km per hour. Find the distance covered by the car in y plus 2 hours. They are given in the hint for formula. Distance formula is speed into time. Speed value equal to x plus 30 km per hour. How do they read per hour? Time equal to y plus 2 hours. Distance equal to formula. Speed into time for I am writing first letter is S. Here time for what is the letter T. S into T is the formula. S value equal to x plus 30 write in one bracket. T value equal to y plus 2. This first term, the same method only multiple the two term x into y plus 2 plus 30 into you multiple in y plus 2. Multiple the number x into y xy. Next symbol is plus 2 into x equal to 2x plus 30 into y 30y. 30 into 2 equal to 60. So therefore distance covered equal to what is the answer right, and kilometer must there right. What they want to write a kilometer symbol must there right. Why that distance asking for kilometer symbol is must there.